For decades, humanity has stared into the dark, asking the same quiet question: are we alone or just early? The closest star to our sun, Proxima Centauri, has always felt like a first step on that path, the place where a second Earth might be hiding, close enough to imagine, and just far enough to still be a dream. Just 4 light years away lies the closest potentially habitable world we've ever found, Proxima Centauri b, locked in the eternal glow of a red dwarf sun, and now, for the first time, close-up data hints at something unexpected. In design labs on Earth, engineers already sketched the first probes that might one day go there, tiny starcraft riding beams of light across the void, on a journey that would outlive the people who launched them. Proxima Centauri is not a gentle sun. Its flares can strip atmospheres, sterilize surfaces, and unleash unimaginable cosmic forces. Every burst of radiation is a reminder that this is not our warm, yellow daylight, but a harsher kind of light, under which life would have to be rewritten from the ground up. Proxima b is probably tidally locked, one side burning under perpetual daylight, the other frozen in endless night. But along the border between light and dark, the terminator zone, winds, heat, and pressure may balance just enough for liquid water to exist. A thin ring of twilight that never sees sunrise or sunset. If anything lives here, it would know only this dim, eternal evening. Then came the anomaly, a narrowband radio spike detected during a search for alien signals. Not a known satellite, not ordinary interference. A whisper from the direction of Proxima Centauri. It lasted only hours, and then it vanished. Was it geology? Weather in an alien atmosphere? A flare bouncing strangely through plasma? Or the first artificial signal we've ever caught from an exoplanet? If there is life on Proxima b, it evolved under brutal conditions, constant stellar flares, radiation storms, a sun that never moves in the sky. Any organism that survives here would not see, breathe, or think like us. It would sense a world of permanent twilight, in a spectrum of light and radiation our bodies were never built to endure. Maybe one day, telescopes like these will stand on that horizon built by us, or by someone who has already learned to live under this red, restless sky. For nearly a century, Earth has been leaking its presence into space: television, radar, navigation signals, unintentional beacons announcing we exist. If anyone is listening from Proxima b, they've already heard us. Our noise, our patterns, our restless technology, all arriving in their sky long before we ever notice them. So when we point our own telescopes back at Proxima, we're not just looking at a distant star. We're staring into a mirror we can't quite resolve yet, wondering if, somewhere in that glare, another set of instruments is staring back. For light years away, a world circles its star in endless day and endless night. We don't know if anything lives there, or if the silence is all there is. But first contact doesn't always begin with a handshake or a landing. Sometimes it begins with a glitch in the data, a single anomaly in the noise that refuses to disappear and forces us to ask who might be on the other side, waiting in silence. Proxima Centauri b is more than a data point. It is our first truly close window into another potentially living world. If we ever send probes, or one day, people, to touch that red sky and walk its twilight seas, everything we believe about life in the universe and our place in it could change in a single generation. And all of it could begin with a single confirmed detection, just one narrowband spike we cannot explain away. From that moment on, the question of whether we are alone would stop being speculation and start becoming evidence. The first signal from Proxima b might not change everything, but it would change us. If you want to follow where this future leads, like and subscribe.